You can't tell me like this place is not my skin still. It's my skin. Or I will invent mask for big fine people. Hey guys, my name is Nelly Nyaga and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you've seen on the title, today I'm going to be showing you my affordable skincare routine. All the products, I got them from China Square. Started skincare routine 2 months ago. I have just woken up and this is the state of my skin. I just used the moisturizer yesterday night. Just tie my hair back. I'm going to be doing a complex skincare routine. Always start with double cleansing. I always use this product. How am I going to cleanse with this? We have to cut it up, obvious. Fast cleanse. So when you're doing a skincare routine, you should know your skin type. And right now, skin testing is actually free. If you look for places you want to go and test your skin type, you can actually just go Google it or ChatGPT it. First cleanse. This is actually to remove off the dust that have collected over the day or before during the night, and removing the night products just to make sure that the next cleansing part actually works on my skin. And the second double cleansing step is using, I got this from China Square and it helps me. It gently cleanses my skin, enhances skin elasticity, promotes skin repair, effective oil control, soothes sensitive skin. So the main goal of getting this collagen cleanser is the oil control, because I have an oily face. I always use good amounts just to make sure that it covers my entire face. I'm not covering my forehead, it is the most sensitive one. I go with this to exfoliate my skin. I always use this to remove the blackheads around my nose. Like this part of the area is where I get a lot of blackheads. So I don't like going in with a lot of pressure because I don't want to affect my skin barrier. So I don't go with this for quite a long time. 2 minutes will be alright, or 5 minutes if you want to actually cleanse better. My forehead always gives me a hard time because that's where I actually get acne. During my monthlies, my forehead gives me a hard time because that's where I get my pimples. But right now they have actually reduced since I started doing skincare. My forehead hasn't been breaking out a lot, so that's actually a plus, which is a nice thing. Guess 2 minutes is up. This is good enough. Let's go and wash it. Okay, let's dry it. You're drying your face with a towel, make sure that you leave it more damp so that when you go in with the next product, it actually blends it nicely rather than blending in a dry face. So the next product is the Sadoer Collagen Sakura. Sadoer Collagen Sakura. This is the babe. This is the toner that has actually improved my skin. I've been using this for the last 2 months and it has actually shown me big results, because right now my face is brightened, it's moisturized, and it soothes my skin barrier. Like I feel like I have, like my face is actually protected. It's pink, it adds on the girly aesthetics, and actually this only went for 300 shillings. If I've forgotten about the prices, this didn't pass 300 shillings at China Square. Make sure that you shake before you use it. I go in with a lot of pumps to make my face look better. Not the people who fight with their faces, like, I guess I'm that person, but right now I'm trying to be gentle on myself because I'll be slapping my face constantly. 2 minutes is actually good. Open up the pores. If you're not using a toner with your skincare products and you're wondering why your products are not working, that's because you're not using a toner. Open up the pores. When you put in more products, your skin becomes ready to receive. For the next product, I always go with it's turmeric antioxidant face serum. It helps me in reducing skin inflammations, help with acne and redness, combat uneven skin tone, speeds blemish healing of skin, on skin, antibacterial, which helps prevent acne. When you're using the pipette, just make sure that it doesn't touch your skin, so you're just like pouring it on top like that. Helps in reducing redness. We always have skin irritations. Serums are the active part of the skincare which fights the thing that you want to combat. So this is the secret that I learned about skincare. When you're looking for skincare, just don't go buying a whole package. First, make sure that you know your skin type, you know what your skin needs, you know the problem that your skin is facing, because people have different skins, and you have maybe one is suffering from acne, one is suffering from redness, one is suffering from puffiness. Always make sure that you know what your skin is suffering through. It's like medicine. If you're sick, you will not go just drinking any medicine. You'll actually know what you're actually going for. The doctor will tell you this and this and that. That's why I'm advising you guys, go get your skin tested. Told you 100 times. So I used 2 serums. This is the first thing that I used because I was fighting hyperpigmentation on my skin. I had a job whereby we were supposed to be under the sun for a very long time, so my skin actually suffered in the process. And when I bought this, I knew this one was going to help me because it helps in brightening my skin. That is actually supposed to combat hyperpigmentation, remove acne marks. Right now I have very few dark spots, clear dark spots, moisturize, skin firming and skin correcting. This is almost over, guys. Somebody who has a better recommendation on the skin for hyperpigmentation, please don't be afraid to leave it down below so that I can try it out, because right now I need a hyperpigmentation control. So yeah, so if you have a suggestion on a good serum that I can use for that, please don't forget to leave it down below. Or if you want to work with me with your skincare products, don't fail to leave it down below. For the next product, I use this cream. This cream actually is a healer. It smells amazing. This is how it looks like in the inside. Right now I'm feeling like it's a little bit, everything is overwhelming, but this actually calms it down. So I only go with a scoop. Then this actually repairs, so the places that you feel like your face is actually too itchy or too sensitive, you can actually go with this cream. I always like going on my under eyes first because that's the most sensitive part of my skin. Then this area here of my head is actually always sensitive, and I have something here. So first of all, I like going in with the places that I've actually applied this first. I apply it all over my face. Somebody asked me my skincare routine on my TikTok live, and that's why I decided to do this video. So I hope that this is actually helping you so far. So I normally don't use mask on a daily. It's a Sadoer mask, and you can get them at China Square for only 50 shilling, or you can go to the boys to get the same products at the same price. So I normally don't use these two on my skincare routine, but if it's a special day, if I'm going out on a date, why am I always on a date? If I'm going out, this is the two things that I actually use. Today is a special day, that's why I'm using this too. Actually helps me to moisturize and hydrate my skin. So this actually locks in each and every product that I've just applied, just to seal everything in. So I need to cleanse the skin face. I need to stay with this for 15 minutes. So yeah, for the 15 minutes I'm going to be yapping here. Again, show me the way. They are making these masks. They should actually consider people with big foreheads, or am I the one who's going to invent masks for big forehead people? You can't tell me like this space is not my skin still. It's my skin. Or I will invent mask for big forehead people. We have masks for people with massive foreheads, because this part of my head is not covered. We need a big forehead mask to actually cover my entire skin, because now this is not good. Do they have mask for big forehead people? Like, where is this space? Is this not my skin? Is this not my face, or is it an extension of my face? Maybe I'll be the first to invent it. If it's there, please comment down where I can find a mask for big forehead people. I don't know if they have them or they don't, because we actually need them. We can't be doing half of the face. As my face dries, I can give you a review on the products that these products from China Square. I've been using them for 2 months, so I have the best experience with them. So first of all, they are actually good because they have helped me correct my hyperpigmentation. My skin was so dark compared to my chest area, so I was looking like two people walking. But right now it has actually helped me with that, and it has also helped me with my hormonal acne, the acne that comes during my monthly, because there were like a lot on my forehead. Right now my forehead doesn't have that, because when I always had those monthly pimples, they always would leave dark spots, which I wasn't a fan of. Right now my dark spot is actually fading off, like it's actually blurring, like it looks blur. I look like I don't have any dark spots anymore. Yes, there's a little bit of improvement that still needs to be done, but actually the products are working. I know they are cheap products, because most of the products are under 300 shillings, so they are the best products to actually use. Advices that I can give you when you're getting those products: first of all, know the problem that your skin is facing. If it's hyperpigmentation, if skin is not bright enough, if you have dark spots, if your skin barrier is affected, always make sure that you go for the specific thing that is going to help you correct that. Don't be touching your face too much, because the bacteria on your hands will transfer on your face, and that is why you get pimples. So let me shut up as I wait for 15 minutes. I'll be back for 15 minutes. Whew, I think 15 minutes are over. Right now let me remove this mask, because I look scary. Woo, I look so moisturized. I love this moisturizer. It's an aloe vera moisturizing gel, natural aloe vera essence, soothes and nourishes, bouncy and moist. To know when it says bouncy, my skin actually looks like a glass skin. So this is how it looks like in the inside. It's a gel like, because when you have a oily skin, you're advised to use gel moisturizer. The only expensive things that I got from China Square was the sunscreen, and this sunscreen I can actually buy this 100 times over and over again, because this is a Nivea sunscreen, and Nivea, your products are actually good, because I use your body lotion and late copperol, and this thing is working wonders. Also, I was also fighting hyperpigmentation with my hands and with my skin, and that one actually combated it. Sunscreen, it's during the day. Always make sure that you're applying sunscreen, even if you're staying at home. The temperatures right now are so high, and without a sunscreen, I don't think that your skin will survive what's going on right now. It doesn't even leave the white cast on your face. For my lips, obviously Aremis must always be included. Even if I run away from you, you still help me a lot. I hope you learned something from this. This is an educational video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.